onion and ginger for meal enhancement. So that juice, after blending it, when you take it, you take a quarter glass, half a glass, it will give you a tremendous improvement in your manpower. You know what I mean? I mean, when you're in bed, you will go for extra hours. So now let's see how it is prepared. Get a medium-sized onion, or if it's too big, you need half of it or quarter of it. You don't need much. You don't need much. And get like 30 grams of ginger. Cut them into small pieces after washing them thoroughly and making sure that they are clean. After that, you put them into a blender. You put them into a blender. Add some water. Then you sieve that juice. The juice, you take that juice after sieving it. You take it. You can take it anytime, but it's good when you are going to bed. Others say that it's better on an empty stomach. I'm sure it can work any day, but if you have like peptic ulcers, it's not good on an empty stomach, because ginger, you know, ginger and onion, they might be a bit acidic. That's why we add some water. Yeah, you see there, you put them into a blender, you add some ginger and add some little water, then you blend it. Yeah, it will help you tremendously. That's how we do it. Very simple, so simple. The good thing, onions are readily available. Ginger is readily available. These are the spices we use in our foods, in our tea. Like for the ginger, we use it in the tea, so they are readily available, and they are not harmful at all. They are not harmful at all. Yeah, so that's how we do it. Very simple. You don't need much. You can take half a glass, quarter glass. Yeah, in a day. If you are strong enough, you can take it without blending it. Thank you.